Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to remove or uninstall the McAfee Web Advisor from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. Ito siya. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa apps, yung pinakauna lang na installed apps. So i-click lang natin ito. And then dito lang sa installed apps, yung pinakauna lang na search apps. So dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Web Advisor. Ayan. And then automatic makaibigat na mag-a-appear na yung Web Advisor by McAfee. Then kung paano ba natin ito i-uninstall or remove. So dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And then next ay click mo lang dito yung uninstall. So click mo lang yan. And then this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So click mo lang itong uninstall ulit. Click mo lang yan. And then if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. Ayan. So pop up ito mga kaibigan na informations dito sa uninstallation niya mga kaibigan. So kailangan lang natin itong i-follow. Alright? So click mo lang dito na no thanks, just uninstall it. So click mo lang yan. And then wait natin. Ayan. So already uninstalled your Web Advisor. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to uninstall the McAfee Web Advisor Site Advisors. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.